A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the English class. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. So, children, in the previous classes, we have discussed about noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, and preposition. Yes. So, children, in this class, we are going to discuss about conjunction. Okay. So, let's get started. So, children, what is conjunction? What is conjunction? So children, conjunction is a word that joins words and sentences. Conjunction is a word which joins words and sentences. Okay. So children, see here. Here join means what? Join means the connector. Joins means what? The connector. It connects two or more words or two or more sentences. Okay. So children, what is conjunction? Conjunction is a word which joins words, sentences and clauses. So here see. It connects words, sentences and clause. Conjunction is a word which joins words, sentences and clause. Is that clear? Okay children. So, let me give you some examples of that. Okay. See. Okay children. So, we already know that conjunction is a word which joins or which connect words, sentences and clauses. Yes children. So children, how they connect words, let me give you some examples of that. Okay. So children, see here words. First we will see how a conjunction joins or connects two words. Okay. So see here, Hari and Ram are brother. Hari and Ram. Hari and Ram. Hari and Ram are brother. Okay. So see here and. Here and is connector. Here and is connector. Yes. It connects Hari and Ram. Yes. So children, Hari and Ram are brothers. Yes. So it is conjunction here because it connects two words or two sentences. Hari and Ram are brothers. Yes. So children, here and is joining these two words. Yes. So children, thus and is conjunction. Is that clear? So now let's see the another example. 2 and 2 makes 4. 2 and 2 makes 4. So here and is conjunction. Yes. Why? Because it connecting two words or two sentences. Yes, isn't it? Yes. It connecting or it's joining two words. 2 and 2 makes 4. 2 and 2 makes 4. So children, here and is conjunction. Is that clear? I hope you getting my point. Okay. Now. Okay children, now we learn how a conjunction connects two words. So, two words or sentences. So children, we will see how conjunction join sentences. Okay? Let's see. So for examples, here first we will discuss about this example without using conjunction. Okay? So see here, Ajay is a good batsman. Virat is a good batsman. So this is an example without using conjunction. Okay. Ajay is a good batsman. Virat is a good batsman. We are not using conjunction here. Okay. So now let's see one more example with conjunction. The same example. Ajay and Virat are good batsmen. Ajay and Virat are good batsmen. So here children, see here, it joins two words without changing its meaning. Yes, children, Ajay is a good batsman, Virat is a good batsman. So here we use conjunction to join two sentences. Here conjunction is and. So Ajay and Virat are good batsmen, isn't it? But here see, and join these two sentences without changing its meaning. The meaning is same, children. See, Ajay is a good batsman, Virat is a good batsman. Ajay and Virat are good batsmen. The meaning of this sentence is not changed. Yes, we just use conjunction. Yes, so here and is a conjunction. Okay, now let's see one more example. The man is poor, the man is honest. The man is poor, the man is honest. So here see, with using conjunction, the man is poor but honest. So children, here but is conjunction. Yes, it joins two words or two sentences without changing its meaning. Isn't it, children? See, the man is poor but honest. The meaning of this sentence is not changed. Yes, the man is poor but honest. We just used conjunction. Yes, so conjunction is a word which joins two words, two or more words or sentences and clause. I hope you are getting my point. Okay. Okay, children. Now let's see how conjunction joins words, sentences and clause. Okay. So let's discuss some more examples. So the first example is here. I drank some water for I was thirsty. So see here. I drank some water for I was thirsty. Okay, children. So here for is a conjunction which is used to convey the reason of my drinking water. Yes, here for is a conjunction which is used to convey the reason of my drinking water. So how here conjunction joins the two clauses or two sentences. Yes, so children, conjunction is a word which used to join or connect two words or two or more sentences and clauses. Is that clear? So here for is conjunction which is used to convey the reason of my drinking water. Yeah. Now let's see the second example. He was tired. He was tired and hungry. He was tired and hungry. So here children, and is used to convey the two feelings. Yes, the two feelings. Yes. So children, tiredness and being hungry. Yes, here and is used to convey the two feelings and tiredness and being hungry. Yes. So now let's see the third example. I can't whistle nor can I sing. The third example is there. I can't whistle nor can I sing. So children, see here. Okay children, so here I can't whistle. Yes, I can't whistle nor can I sing. So children, here nor is used to convey that I could not know how to whistle or how to sing. So here the conjunction is joining clauses or two sentences, two or more sentences. Yes, joining a clauses. Yes, so here nor is used to convey that I could not know how to whistle or how to sing. Is that clear? So now let's see another example. Okay, Jay studied hard but he could not clear the exam. Jay studied hard but he could not clear the exam. So here children, but so you see how it converts two sentences without affecting the meaning. Yes children, you can see how it converts two sentences without affecting its meaning. So children, okay children, so here yet I ran fast, yet I came last. So children, here yet is used to convey that if I ran fast, I could not come fast. In come first position. Yes. So here at is a conjunction. Okay children, the main use of conjunction is used to join either word, conjunction or clauses. Is that clear? Okay. Now the last example. I was hungry, so I ate the food. I was hungry, so I ate the food. So here children, so you see how it converts the sentences. Yes, how it converts the sentences without changing its meaning or without affecting its meaning. Yes, both sentences are describing the man's quality. You can join sentences without conjunction. Yes, you can join sentences with conjunction. Yes children. So now see, you have to remember one thing. What? That the main use of conjunction is used to join either words, conjunction or clause. Okay children. So now see here. So see here children. For, and, nor, but, or, at, so are conjunction. Is that clear? Conjunction. Once again I will repeat this. Conjunction is a word which used to join or to connect words, sentences and clauses. Is that clear? And one thing you have to remember, the main use of conjunction is used to join either words, conjunction or clauses. Okay? I hope you understood this. So children, see here. F is equal to for, A is equal to N is equal to nor, B is equal to but, O is equal to or, Y is equal to yet, S is equal to so. Yes, for, and, nor, but, or, at, so. So these words are conjunction which join or connects two words, two sentences or clauses. Is that clear children? I hope you understood this. Yes? So in this class we have learned about conjunction. Till then, stay home. We will continue in next class children. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Okay? Thank you.